Welcome back to Old Vintage. Has anybody seen one of these? Ever wondered how they work? Well, I'm about to show you. Which way does it? Oh, scared me. Oh god. Anyway, this is a very early screwdriver. I do not have a bit for it because they used unique bits. I'm sure I can find some on eBay. But you put your bit in there, set it to, let's see, what's down here. Set it to which direction you want, right or left, and no turning of the wrist. That kind of stained my thing there. It's a lot more comfortable to sit here. I have yet to get a table for projects like this. Yeah, cool. So if you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and check out more of my content. And I'll see you next time.